just like you say, to Brother Tory, make sure you stand with the principle of Thomas Sankara and others who played a critical role in their sacrifice that they had made for what we are being able to stable for the well-being of INI people in that African region and in the continent of Africa and outside of Africa, because we INI say, as one of the pioneers, Kwame Nkrumah, said, we don't have to born in Africa to be an African. And me no know religious person, so I'm glad me don't read the Bible and people promote themselves to read it. We know a lot of study within the scriptures because we know there are things that are vital in our elements when it comes to our spiritual divine creator, because we not come here by ourselves. We come here to the ancient divine that is the cosmos heritage that come down from our ancient ancestors.